So ang OVP ba in 2022, is it entitled for the confidential fund?
Tama po, Madam Speaker.
Is the OVP, ulitin ko is the OVP entitled entitled po ba ang OVP ng confidential fund?
Madam Speaker, tama po at uulitin ko, tama po. At ang dahilan po ay ganito po. Ang ginamit po dito ay ang contingent fund. In 2022, the contingent
reply.
In 2022,
ng contingent. Tinatanong
in
ko lang.
2022,
Madam Speaker, tinatanong ko lang kanina
Madam
kung
Speaker,
entitled. Okay.
in 2022,
So, hindi ko na kailangan ng paliwanag. Okay, so, tinatanong ko kanina, Madam Speaker, kanina, sinasabi natin, Madam Speaker, tinatanong ko lang, ang sagot po ay yes or no. So, hindi naman po ako nag-aano ng paliwanag para doon. So, sinasabi, ang sagot niya, Madam Speaker, kanina, entitled ang OVP ng confidential fund in year 2022. So, your answer is yes. Okay? So, Madam Speaker, may papakita po akong PowerPoint doon sa 2022 budget kung paano natin sinasabi na may expressly provided for. So, dito, sa 2022 na budget, makikita natin dyan yung confidential, intelligence, and extraordinary expenses. So, yan po yung parang pinaka-heading, no? Under that, merong extraordinary and miscellaneous expense. Tama naman po yung ating sponsor, Madam Speaker, na wala dyan. Okay? Pero kung titignan natin yung 2023 na budget, ayan, budget for 2023, may confidential fund. So, confidential, intelligence, and extraordinary expenses. Confidential expenses, malinaw, 500 million na inaprubahan natin noong 2022. At meron ding extraordinary and miscellaneous expenses na 620,000. Okay? So, yung difference ng dalawa, Madam Speaker, here, it is expressly provided for budgetary allocation. In 2022, ay wala. Tignan natin yung Office of the President. OP, in 2022, Madam Speaker, may confidential fund at intelligence fund. Okay? Under pa rin sa heading ng confidential, intelligence, and extraordinary expenses. Merong confidential, merong extraordinary miscellaneous expenses, at meron ding intelligence expenses na inaprubahan natin noong 2022. Okay, next. Noong 2023 na budget ng OP. So, ganun pa rin, the same pa rin. Merong intelligence, merong extraordinary, merong confidential expenses. So, ang ibig sabihin, Madam Speaker, based on our example, kung hindi siya expressly provided for budgetary allocation, wala. Okay? Wala ang 2022 na confidential fund under the Vice President, under the OVP. Tama po ba yon, Madam Speaker?
Madam Speaker, una sa lahat, one can force her opinion, but one cannot force her facts. Una sa lahat, maling bahagi ng libro ang tinitignan po ninyo. Maliwanag, nagdeklara ang Supreme Court na ang contingent fund ay isang line item appropriation.
Madam Speaker,
So, ibig
wala
sabihin
tayo
nun,
doon sa contingent fund.
So, ibig sabihin nun,
Hindi po natin pinag-uusapan dito.
Please
yung
allow the
contingent
sponsor
fund.
to finish your statement.
No. Kasi po, Madam Speaker, ang tinatanong ko lang dito kung meron o wala na expressly
sumagot po ako,
provided
Madam
for.
Speaker,
Wala pa po ako
meron,
dun sa contingent
at
fund.
payagan niyo po akong ipaliwanag kung bakit meron. Ang problema po is ayaw po natin makinig. Gusto ko po, Madam
Hindi po
Speaker,
ako ayaw
ipaliwanag kung bakit...
na ano po yung oras ko, Madam Speaker. Pinapatanong kaya nga po yes or no lang po para mas mabilis.
Madam
So,
Speaker,
kanina sinasabi natin, hindi ako nagtatanong.
payagan sana ako, Madam Speaker.